Now,
Is it?
okay, it is recording. Here we are outside, and Nick is gonna shotgun a Dr. Pepper.
Because we are 14, so our parents will get right up.
And this is going on YouTube, and it's probably gonna spray the screen, so he's gotta stand back up there. So when he's gonna go stand up there and then shotgun.
I've been shaking this thing for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, because you're shivering. Make sure you don't shank yourself with a knife either. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Oh yeah, shotgun the Dr. Pepper. Oh yeah, how does it feel? How does that feel, Nick?
No different than it was, but tastes like
It was better last time. I think it is.